Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are joining me on my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I will be decorating my fireplace and mantle for Christmas, and today's video is part of Christina from the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. So be sure to check out the playlist below because there will be lots of other Christmas DIY and decor videos for you to check out for some great ideas. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I've just taken some command hooks on each end underneath the mantle and I've strung some garland here. Both of these pieces came from the Target dollar spot. The bells I bought this year, the greenery I bought last year. I did not see the greenery this year. I really do wish that they'd had it. I'm not going to leave it like this. You'll see at the end what I end up doing with it. I also put a command hook up here on my mirror because I have a nice magnolia wreath that I'm going to hang up there. So I'm starting with the center here, and this little sign also came from the Target dollar spot, and I'm just going to center it right underneath the mirror here. Next, I'm taking these little cone trees that I made. I just took some hot glue and spun some yarn around the poster boards. I have a DIY linked below if you're interested in watching that. I can show you how I did that. I think these are really nice, and I think if you get some nice yarn, it can make a really nice, inexpensive Christmas decoration. Moving on to the other side, I'm going to take just this little platform that I have here and I'm sticking it right there. I'm probably going to put a candle on top of it just like that, but have one thing that I want to do first. So Target, yes, Target again, also had this lighted star garland with the glitter on it. I thought this was really pretty and I wanted to add this also. So I love this old world Santa. I am just going to tuck him right in front of that battery box to hide that. This is a Bath & Body Works candle, and I do have a Christmas haul that I can link below in case you're interested in watching that. Here I'm adding my wooden snowflake and then a couple of my green little bottle brush trees that I have. I'm mostly going with a green theme here with just a few pops of red. I'm going to take some little greenery picks that I have, and I have some pine cones, and I'm just going to arrange these on top of the mantle. And it's definitely trial and error. It takes me a few tries to get it just the way I want it. And then even afterwards, I ended up, even when I was done with this video, I ended up playing with it a little bit more. Moving on to the bottom now, I took a tray that I had and I just styled some various pieces in it together and added some ornaments there for a little pop of red and a little ribbon on the Christmas tree. Over here on this side, I'm just taking this galvanized container that I have. I just added some Christmas florals to it, and then I just added a few more pieces around the base. And I play with this a little bit after this video. I actually have a home tour coming up too that I'm going to do at the end, so if you are interested, you might want to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see that. So to the center on the bottom here, I'm going to add my Christmas tiered tray that I decorated a few weeks back. I have a video for that also. I can link that below if you're interested in watching that also. I just thought that that would make a nice little addition to my fireplace display here. Okay, my command hook has been sitting for about an hour. That's what they recommend, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my wreath now. I apologize that it is blurry. That's my camera there. It should focus just, yep, there it goes. It's focused for you. I was really happy I found another command hook in the house that I wasn't using, and I was able to hook it in the center because I really felt like it looked better swagged in the center like that. And so I'm really happy that I was able to do that, and I like it a lot. I will be adding our stockings a little bit later on. I just don't have them out quite yet. I need to put the tree up too, and they are in with all of the stuff for the tree. Can you spot that I've already made some changes? Thank you so much for watching today. Please make sure you take the time to check out the other videos on the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge playlist. I will have the playlist linked below. I'm sure that you will not be disappointed. There's going to be lots of creativity and ideas. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.